Hello friends, welcome to Fun Electronics. In this video we are going to see how to set up function generator. First you have to switch on the function generator. Here this is the setup of the function generator. You can see the frequency of the wave and voltage peak to peak value and offset value. Then you can see the wave type. The first one is frequency. Likewise you can set amplitude, period, high level, offset and other things. So go to amplitude button. That will change the peak to peak value. So here you can see the cursor. So when you're rotating the controller, it will increase and decrease the value. Otherwise you can set to the number button. Then set after that you can set the, here you can see the values. Then after press the button, it will appear like this. So 10 voltage peak to peak value. Then if you want to set the offset value, go to offset. Then you can rotate the controller to change the offset value. After that you can change the frequency value also. Go to freq button. Then rotating the controller will change the frequency value. Otherwise you can use number button to change the frequency value. Here you can see the megahertz, kilohertz and hertz, millihertz. Likewise, so I need kilohertz, so I press kilohertz. Here is the square wave, then ramp wave, that means a rectangular wave. This one is pulse and noises. Likewise you can change the wave pattern. Then you can get the output from this. You have to use this crocodile cable for getting the output. So you can connect the crocodile cable another other point to the output terminals. Then you can get the output from the cable. So this red one is the signal one, other one is the ground.